So tell them how it all started.
What? Hi, we're Pete and Christy Sullivan from Nashville, Tennessee.
So our first date was February 16th, 2003.
We were engaged 5 months later, and about a year.
Married a year after that.
Yes. And 10 months later, our daughter was born. And 2 years after that, our son was born. And in the middle of all that, Christy was accepted to med school, and we had to move to Boston. And so there was a lot going on. A lot going on.
So we were busy.
Busy.
Not a lot of money.
No money.
And then I finished medical school, and it was time to start my residency. So we were thinking about traveling for the first time, far away, going on a plane and all that. And we thought, oh my gosh, what if something happened to us? What would happen to the kids? And we don't have a will. I mean, we never thought we needed a will because we didn't have anything.
We're broke.
We had no money. We had kids, and our greatest asset, our most precious possessions. Well, we shouldn't call them possessions.
There are possessions.
Well,
We own them.
no. And, and God forbid something were to happen to us, we wanted to make sure that everything was going to be okay with them, that they would be well taken care of, and that, all of that would be legally documented. So we didn't know how to do it. How did we find out about LegalZoom?
We had already set up one of her residency interviews. It was actually the first interview, and we were both going to have to get on the plane to go, and that's when it hit us that we didn't have anything in writing. So I had seen an ad on TV about LegalZoom, about being able to do it, quickly, and
I was like, how is that possible? How can that work?
yeah, I didn't know either. So we checked it out, and
And we have our next door neighbor and best friend was a lawyer,
Right.
and we asked her, and she kind of substantiated stuff for us and said, yeah.
we were worried that it was going to take a really long time, that it was going to be really complicated, but it really wasn't. We got online, and
We did it all in one night.
Yeah.
It took us like 45 minutes to
Yeah.
do both of our wills.
yeah, we just answered a bunch of questions, and then they put all the legalese on it, and they send it to you. And
And then everything's done, all in
Yeah.
writing, and if anything were to happen to us, we'd be all set.
before that 2 week trip that we were looking at 2 weeks in advance, we had everything done, and we could get on the plane and be confident that our kids would be okay if something happened to us, and that was a great relief to us. We really could go on the plane confidently and not worry. And from now on, we're all secure too. So it's a great feeling knowing that something happens to us, the kids are okay, and they're not going to get a lot of cash or anything, but at least we know people will take care of them, and our wishes will be honored.
The amazing thing is how fast and easy it was.
Very fast, very easy.